Hello everyone, so long time no see. So today I will show you how to write the character of China. So China is one of the countries with the longest history in the world. The people of all ethnic groups in China have jointly created a splendid culture and have a glorious revolutionary tradition. Chinese and Chinese characters are commonly used. China is one of the 4 ancient civilizations in the world. Around 5,800 years ago, signs of origin of civilization appeared in the Yellow River and the middle and lower reaches of the Yangtze River. Okay, now let's move to my pad. I will show you how to write the character of China. Now, let's go. Okay, now I will write it, first write it in English, China, then I write in Chinese, 中国, which means China. I will write it in pinyin, 之翁, 中, this word, 个我, 国, 中国, which means China, 中国, China. So you can practice write the Chinese characters. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.